Hi guys, my name is Ruben. I'm from the parts department here at Colton RV and Marine in North Tonawanda. We want to talk to you about the benefits of solar and what you'll need to look into getting it on your camper. So the first benefit of solar is that it's very quiet and easy to use. So there's nothing you have to physically do aside from push a couple buttons. There's no noisy generators, there's no fumes from the generators, you don't have to worry about quiet times. You can use this and utilize it all day. The second benefit is you can spend more time boondocking. You can go anywhere you like, mountains, lakes, fields, forests. Anywhere's open to you. And you can do so for longer periods of time, very easily, with no power hookups, and you can do so in luxury. Third benefit of solar is your battery life. You'll be getting your power from the sunlight, not from a power post. So your battery will be able to last a lot longer when you're off-grid, both while you're camping and while you're storing it. You don't have to worry about your battery dying during a trip or while you're storing it between trips. Fourth reason, they're very low maintenance. Solar panels last a long time. They require very little attention. You want to make sure that they're uncovered, so not covered by snow. Make sure they're clean. And just make sure all your appliances are working in working order. So there's no fuel, there's no filters, there's nothing you have to replace periodically. Everything is set and forget it. So now we've talked about the benefits of solar and off-grid camping. Let's go into the components that go into it. So your first and most important part is your solar panel. Solar panels come in many different sizes, shapes, wattages. Most panels are mounted to the roof, so there are panels that go on the ground as well. Typically speaking, the roof panels are the way to go. You can get a lot more wattage, a lot more power out of them, and they're a lot more expandable. So think about your solar panels as the pump at the gas station. The more panels you have, the bigger panels you have, the faster your power can replenish. The second component is your batteries. Most campers come with lead-acid batteries. Deep cycle batteries. So lead-acid batteries work just fine with solar, but AGM and lithium are the two upgrade options that work much better with solar. These batteries have a much longer life cycle as well as a charge cycle. AGM batteries, we say, last up to about 5 to 7 years. Lithiums last up to 10 years. A standard lead-acid battery lasts maybe 2 to 3 years. So there's a lot of benefits of batteries. If you have any questions on these, give us a call. We can give you a lot more information on these batteries. But if you're looking into doing some serious off-grid camping, look into upgrading your batteries as well. Your final component is your inverter. Your inverter was what allows you to dry camp in style and luxury. So the inverter takes the power from the batteries and converts it into power that can be used by your appliances like your microwave, your fireplace, phone chargers, laptop chargers, hair dryers, coffee makers, stuff like that, small kitchen appliances. This allows you to be a lot more creative with your power. So again, think of your solar panel as the pump at the gas station, your battery as the gas tank, and your inverter is what helps you be creative with it. With all three of these components, you can do a lot more off-grid camping and be a lot more comfortable while you're doing it. Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you have any questions for us on solar, on batteries, on inverters, or dry camping in general, please give us a call. You can call any of our dealerships. Our phone number here at the North Tonawanda Dealership is 716-694-0188. Thank you again.